Good morning, guys. It is Friday. Now that I remember to start the camera this time, it is Food Shortage Friday. We're gonna look at the H5N8 Bird Flu. Now, this is affecting. It's going across Europe. The Arabic Peninsula has it. Asia, North America. It's a matter of time. These are your main chicken-eating areas. As you know, Muslims do not eat pork. Never, ever eat pork. Now, keep in mind, I am putting Eastern Europe, being Russia and the Caucasus, what used to be called those, into Europe, okay? I'm also including Scandinavia. However, according to the map I found, they don't seem to be having it that bad. Now, I did find a map that has the outbreaks in Europe. And actually, there's not any in Lithuania, Latvia, Belarus, Ukraine, Moldova, Romania, Bulgaria, and some of those countries. Amazingly enough, there's not. Now, let's start with Saudi Arabia. They had one case of a highly pathogenic H5N8 bird flu on a poultry farm in the capital of Riyadh. Dr. Abdullah Ab al-Khal, the ministry spokesperson, has already said that emergency teams were able to control the outbreak after implementing standard operation. Imagine that. A country having a standard operating procedures for culling birds with very highly contagious pathogenic. Astonishing. More countries should have it. Moving on to Germany, they also have seen an upswing. According to Sybil de la Hamad with Reuters. This was actually reported Monday on successful farming. This is actually a new paper I just found. I had no idea it existed. Now, I will keep looking at it. So, they are seeing one. They've seen quite a bit of them in an eastern German state of Brandenburg. But no birds on the farms were involved. Ministry then said, okay, there was only one, and a wild bird. Think about that wild bird, though. Where's that wild bird gone? He doesn't exactly have a passport, you know. They don't have IDs. So, we don't really know where that bird has gone. Now, European Center for Disease Control and Prevention, it's basically Europe CDC, probably about as useless as ours is. They have talked about since the beginning of January, there have been outbreaks of the high pathogenic H5N8 and low pathogenic H5N1. What the hell the difference is, I don't know. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, a pathogenic disease in a bird that could poison me and my family, should we eat it, is a problem. Whether it's high pathogenic or low pathogenic, I don't care. It's a problem. And I'm like you, but I don't like the idea of these things coming. Now, they have been United Nations, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, have been detected in countries of Czech Republic, Denmark, Germany, Hungary, Poland, Romania, Slovakia, and Ukraine. There you go. Folks, we have a problem. We have one version of a high pathogenic and a low pathogenic H5N1, which is being spread across the world, ironically enough, in countries that, well, Trump has threatened tariffs against, with the exception of France. Think about that one. Anyway, now, I by no means am saying that Saudi Arabia had anything to do with this illness. I don't know. I just came across an article and I started going from there and just kind of building out. I'm going to give you a link to a spoon.guru on the, oh, I hope I say this right, Halal Diet. It's the Islamic diet. My apologies if I said that wrong. I did not mean to. This is all new to me. Okay, really it is. Now, from what I understand, the site, they can eat just about anything as long as it's not pork. That's the main no-no. Alright, so I'm going to stop here. I will leave you the links below. I'm going to get ready, venture out into the bone-biting cold, and go to the gym, work out, go to Kroger, and we're going to walk the fuzzball, the fur ball. And that's going to be our day. Yeah. Oh, the kids are home today. Yeah.